What the heck, man? The stock market just goes up every single day. I've got cash on the sidelines that I want to get invested. It is taking off without me. That is how a lot of people out in the stock market feel right now. And I feel you. I have some cash on the sideline too that I would love to have invested right now, and I don't. But here's what I found out. When we have blow-off top rallies, these rip-roaring rallies, historically, they don't give you a higher odds time, a great time to get in. In the last 6 weeks, we've only once had 2 down days in a row. Other than that, we've had sporadically a down day here and there, but generally the stock market has just been going up. So if you decide it's right for you, here are some things that you can do. One choice is simply to use some cash and buy in. If you just plainly choose to buy in now, please set a trailing stop sell order so if we finally do have a little bit of a pullback, you don't get washed out. You can wait if you choose so for 1 down day. If we possibly can get 2 down days, that could be wonderful. Or you could wait for more of a sell-off where we get a 2 or 3% sell-off. Now, I don't know if we get a 2 or 3% sell-off here in this blow-off top rally. How are you feeling right now? Do you have cash on the sidelines that you would like to have invested right now? Let me know in the comments, like this video, and follow for more. The thing with possibly being underinvested at this point is, as much as you might feel like the stock market just can't go any higher, it can go higher. Blow-off tops can be amazing rallies. If you would like me to invest your portfolio for you through times like these, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. I continue to say that I think shorting crude oil could possibly be the best trade over the next 6 months. If you're not already short crude oil, $95 a barrel isn't the world's greatest time to start shorting it, but I do think in 6 months it could come down more. So if you're looking to start a new position, maybe you start slowly. Would be nice and bearish for oil, bullish for the economy and the stock market and you and I, if we can finally break and close below $93.09 a barrel. The long maturity bond fund trade, I think, could be a good trade over the next 6 months. We need, and here is the 10-year yield, which we would need lower yields for that trade to really take off. Now, earlier in the week when yields were a lot higher, I was sharing with you, hey, if you are already not long your long maturity bond funds here, today is a much better day. So today is not the greatest day to get in that. If we pop back up again, if you missed it, you might want to wait for a pop back up. Otherwise, for that trade, we would really need to see a confirmed breakdown below 4.32% on the 10-year. I personally feel that people right now are forcing trades in gold. I right now do not see a high odds gold trade. Again, if we can actually break above and confirm above the intraday high from April 8th, which is shown here, that would be a bullish sign for gold, but I don't think we get there. I think possibly the next trade is maybe even shorting gold if we can confirm below $4,584 an ounce, so a little patience here on gold. I think the herd is forcing trades here at the moment in natural gas. Yeah, we are in the confirmed breakout above $2.56 a cubic foot, so on a technical basis, natural gas can run higher, but as far as getting in a trade right now, I don't like it right now. I am personally not in a natural gas trade at the moment. Yeah, those people earlier in the week that were riding the Bitcoin train and bought at the top aren't too happy today. I am not currently in a Bitcoin trade myself. I do think on a technical basis, it could run higher up to maybe as high as about $84,000 a coin. But if we confirm below $78,477 a coin, I think that shorting Bitcoin could be the next trade. A little patience here.